Hello! Hello!
Just having random fun with your turrets. This is not the main cockpit, it says.
Oh shit! James, Jet, go get your ship.
If you're a plant, yes, rain is very good.
Alright. Disconnecting javelin. Alright, good to go.
0.
We have 0 platinum, really?
I think so.
Yeah, 581. It's in the Mingler 1 main connector.
Oh, that's
Why? I haven't
I don't know.
requested platinum there.
Because your
Mingler
connector's a pig.
wanted-
Come on, Gatling turret, why'd you destroy our package? Well, I don't know. The thing was red.
You told me to shoot the bad guys. Why are you yelling at me?
Whoa, no.
Oh,
delivery
no.
system.
I mean, this isn't going very far, man. Alright, and connected. I need to make
It is
sure.
green.
Verify it's green.
It is green on both connectors.
You sure?
Yeah,
All
just
right.
turn your engines
Turning
on.
thruster off.
It's not moving.
Okay,
God is
good.
tilting.
Wait, what?
No, it's
Oh,
man.
please don't scare me. It really does blow up.
I mean, what's messed up is it does look like it's not really connected because there's space in between, but it's green, so...
Yeah.
Dude, I could hear your butthole pucker from here.
Is it still a minor? Yeah, it's still a minor.
Through the lake.
Enjoy the ride. It most likely won't kill you.
Most likely.
More than likely.
I mean, you got better odds of not dying by not sitting in it, if that's what you mean.
I really wish you could fire your rifle from the seat, though.
Oh my god.
That would be amazing.
I've tried so many ways to figure out a way to do that. It just won't let you.
Wish I could zoom in on you on the toilet. You're so midget tiny from this angle.
But you have a kick-ass view when you go into space, too.
Yeah.
You a nice hole.
Of course, I'm stuck to the connector. That's getting old again.
Why is it so sticky? Talking about the one where I took one swing at you with the javelin.
Oh, and then you, like, kind of got
Exploded.
exploded. Yeah.
Yeah. Got that one hit in though.
Yeah, you hit me. It was like a bee sting, and I killed the bee sting with a tactical nuke.
Yeah. And technically, isn't that how you always deal with a bee sting? Is bee hits you, it's like, I will destroy you!
Bee hits you, burn down the house.
You will never be! Oh, turret. I'm looking at connectors. It says turret top left is damaged. I'm like, why am I looking at connectors? Alright, James, you ready for Space Expedition?
Yep, sitting in my chair.
The ice is generating hydrogen, so it will be what it
Yay.
is. How about that sun over to our left?
Hey, that's pretty.
Wonder if we could shoot it.
Pow, pow, pow.
Oh, let's jump into the sun.
Jump into the sun.
Or to the sun.
And then
Let's
your
do it.
ship blows up.
I would probably listen to their album. Use the laser beams.
What were you gonna do in the ice over there? Nothing. But totally unrelated, how do you spell rectum?
Rectum. I don't even know.
Rectum, hell, damn near killed him.
So you got your. Are you still outside, James?
No, I'm in the seat beside you.
Okay. How are you? Hello. Hello.
Just having random fun with your turrets. This is not the main cockpit, it says.
Oh shit! James, Jet, go get your ship.
Oh, is it? No
It
way.
wasn't connected.
It wasn't connected?
Get out! Go! It's
Oh, I'm
descending. 700 meters down. Are you out?
I'm dead.
You're dead.
I'm dead.
Wait, did his ship fall from space?
I died.
Wait, is your ship falling to the ground?
Yes.
Must be.
Over
It's
by
a-
the ice? Looking for it.
I can't.
Well, try to catch it. If you can get in, you can save it.
I don't know if that's gonna work.
Where's the by the lake?
Yeah, by the lake.
Oh fuck, I'm too far away, man.
I can't get to it in time.
Yeah.
I'm ascending now, but I mean, I can't get to it. You can get to it if you're by yourself.
I'm going. I don't see it yet.
There's just no way I'm gonna catch it. think
I
that's
see it.
freaking-
4,000 from me. It's
you
go
get-
hit the ground before I think I can get to it.
James, if
I'm
you can get
trying.
out, you can try it.
Oh man.
It's literally like the plateau height. It's already too late.
Yeah, don't worry about it. I'm gonna die again because I forgot I don't have
Oh,
fuel.
there it is. Or no, that's you guys.
Yeah.
iCarly's right here. I found it.
Where are
Dead
you at?
again.
In between you and the base. Oh, James, you're gonna hate this.
It's
Oh.
He wasn't gonna love it. Let's be honest.
No, he'll love it, but it's gonna be ironic how much he's gonna hate it.
All right, I'm gonna free float
Christ.
Mingler one right there.
How much fuel you got, Jeremy?
Mingler one,
Yeah.
half 50%. Trying to find my pilot.
I'll come up and I'll handhold you.
I would put money
I
on you
hope you
dying
fucking
too.
die. I hope you die.
You're going
so
to
bad
die.
right
You
now.
do.
Here goes Jeremy.
They
Okay,
absolutely
where-
failed.
Hey, I'm right outside the door. Say hi.
Okay,
Bye.
you're over
Well,
at the.
They're just not
space
kicking
ice?
on. I almost died there. 40 health.
Hey, the ship's
Oh.
dropping. The ship's dropping.
Get off. I must have not reconnected it.
It's real easy to miss. It's not going to go anywhere if it's just yellow. It's like the whole magnetic thing.
Man, I saw a marker for gold over here. What the hell?
Yeah, there's a gold marker right there.
I don't see it.
Well,
It's right next to where the ship crashed.
I still don't see the ship. I landed where you were, Jason.
James already has it.
But he does.
I
Okay.
don't know if he moved it
So you
yet.
can still fly it more or less.
Yeah.
Okay, call me
Like
crazy,
it was on
but
our-
this looks almost identical to what it was.
Yeah. It must have fallen on.
Is iCarly kind of looks more or less exactly like it did before when it got hit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or just
Which
beat
means
the ass off it.
predictable.
Yeah. So, what are we even doing now? We've got the ice, but
At what cost?
one iCarly. All right. Well, James, I get what you're saying. You were going to help with mining, and you can't do that with iCarly's in the same situation.
Right. Again.
Again, yes. All right, I'm off.
What I'm gonna do is put so much upward thrust on my ship that if it doesn't let me go, it's gonna rip the connector out of the ground.
It's gonna take Mother Base with it.
That'll be awesome.
Mining ship.
Well, I don't know if you all remember the first time Mingler 1 was supposed to take off, he got stuck to the connector. It's like a rite of passage.
Except for I can't build without the hole on
Oh, yeah.
What did you call me?
it. Or
Oh, okay, cool. I just wanted to clear that up.
Yeah, I might try to build that welder thing that we're talking about. Jeremy.
Okay. I don't know if you have a spot in mind, but there's plenty of room where the welding ship and the javelin are parked. You can convert those grinders to welders, and it should work just the same.
True. Yeah.
Because instead of using pistons on the welders, you can use pistons on the projector.
Right.
Just move it up and down, and maybe even rotate it in place. Like a snousage.
Lazarus built this ship. You need some nerds.
got popcorn.
Well, I can't disconnect Nose Puppy from Mingler 1. Yeah, I think I just did it.
This should be funny.
It shouldn't be, but goddamn.
Okay, no,
Just
no, I
can't
got
help
it.
but laugh.
Well, no, I didn't.
Kind of still freaks me out whenever I'm flying and I touch something and it sounds like metal.
You know what I just realized is that I think one of the engines, hydrogen engines, is damaging the landing gear. Nose puppy.
Well, that's not good. I'm down.
All right, got 100,000 uranium from this one, so hopefully that's enough.
No, get more.
More. All right, heading over to the platinum.
What took off?
I've been trying for like 10 minutes now.
Yeah.
Yeah, you freaked me out when I walked by and you spun your drills, man.
Oh. Gonna get you. Jesus, man, you gotta be like real close.
What you're saying is we need one of those hands and the gears warning messages in front of it. Then.
Yeah. As if the red lights weren't enough.
Be careful.
Flip the card over 0 days since an accident.
Yeah, I know. Flip the car back to 0.
Careful. Welders hurt like hell when you put your face in them. You can't make me. I don't wanna.
Oh man. Stop fighting me and get repaired.
Yeah, it's good for you. Stop whining. You lack discipline.
You idiot.
Stop it.
You son of a bitch. Just frickin'.
It hasn't been my session, guys.
Yeah. Okay, where is there's station 4546B? Oh, there's my base, right in my face.
On a positive note, I think this welder thing, it works, man.
Cool.
It's not pretty, but it works.
Take me 10 minutes to get down to the surface, so I'll take a look at it in 10 minutes.
Are you talking about the welding pit of not Doom anymore?
Yeah, I need to figure out a new name for it.
The Chamber of Gentle Touch. The Hall of Nurturing Caress.
Oh, you stole my idea.
No, it's my toilet. No, no. You cannot has.
Stowaways! You gotta weigh it down.
Got it.
Heavy enough as it is.
No.
Chamber of the Order of the Hollowed Welders.
Oh, I tried to fit as many Harry Potter titles as I could in there.
There's a few. Hup, hey! Let's do it again. Well, that's neat. Alright, what else did we get added? I know Dr. Creek was messing with some of this stuff. Looks like he's got some of the engines. Or is it all the engines? All the engines. It's all the engines necessary to make it take off. And something up here. It's like a floor or whatever. He's almost done. Next episode, the completion of this thing.
Haha.
I got a lot of stuff done on my guy too.
Yeah, show me what you got. What'd you get done?
Slappy is airtight now
Nice.
and has a fully pressurized cockpit and cabin, 2 large hydrogen tanks, and 2 independent H2O2 connectors.
Nice.
Production thing is all looped together.
Quite bulbous. I can't see myself in it.
It is nice.
And let's go see. Oh, this ship is newly completed. What is it? It is F ship. No, it is iCarly. iCarly is completed. It's looking very snazzy. Is anything else done?
No.
Olmec is a different shade of green.
No, nothing new. It's just rebuilt.
Oh, Rob's ship.
Oh, he built a house.
He did build a house. I think Cyberwolf might be able to blow it over, though.
Got a lot done.
Sure did. Alright, but now it's time for Mingler Night Night.
Yeah. All right,
Yeah.
guys.
Good night, import.
I am out of here.
Good night,
I will
pickle.
catch you guys next time.
Good night,
Yeah,
Lazarus.
good times, y'all.
Good night,
Good times.
Rick. Good night, John Boy.
The hell did you call me?
Oh, James, you're gonna hate this.